Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix GTA 5 not launching. So let's start. Make sure to follow my steps. So for the first step, go to the Windows taskbar. After that, go to this upside arrow, click it. Now search for the launcher you have the game on, either Epic Games or Steam. For me, I have it on Epic Games. So right click on it and make sure to select exit. Now for the next step, you should go to the Windows taskbar, select the search. After that, type in NVIDIA, go select NVIDIA app. Now this will open. Make sure to sign up with your account. After that, go to drivers in the left menu and make sure to update your driver. Now select this install button in the right. After that, select Express installation and click on continue to start the process. For the next step, go to the search again. After that, type in device manager. Now this tab will pop up, so go to display adapters. After that, open this side arrow. Now go to your graphics card, right click on it. After that, select update driver and select search automatically for drivers. Click close. Do the same thing for the processors right here. Select anyone, right click, update driver. After that, select search and close. Now for the last step and method, go open your launcher. After that, once this opens, go to your library. Now search for the game, which is GTA 5 Enhanced. So you can see these three dots right here, select it. After that, click on manage. Now you should see this verify files element. Click on the verify button. The game will automatically verify the internal original files of the game, and any corrupted file will be recovered as fast as possible. Now if you did try all of that and nothing works, you should put in mind that maybe you have a weak graphics card. Now you should see that if you meet the system requirements, at least you have 4 GB of VRAM. Otherwise the game will start making some issues. And that's it. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.